Hey guys, it's Miss M. So I'm going to go through with some example problems so that your parents and you guys understand how we solve our little two-digit addition and subtraction problems. So in your packet is a list and there are 10 story problems and you're supposed to do one each day. So when we are subtracting or adding, we do our direct modeling, so we write our 10s and our 1s. Now this is probably different from how your parents learned, it's different from how I learned. So we're going to walk through this so that your parents can help explain it to you when you do the problems on your sheet. So in addition, I'm going to draw both of the numbers. So first I'm going to draw 46. So I'm going to draw 4 10s, 1, 2, 3, 4. We use lines to represent 10s, and then I'm going to draw 6 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We use circles to represent 1s. And I always encourage the kids to group them by 5 if we can, because it helps us when we count. So I notice how I put 5 1s on top, 1 on the bottom, and we only have 4 10s, but I would put 1 more and then go down to the bottom, just so it's easier when we go back to count. So then I'm going to draw my line, and I'm going to draw 28. So 2 10s and 8 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now we have to count. Remember that we always start with the babies when we count. So let's start with the babies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, when we get to a group of 10, we have to circle the 10 and then draw an arrow and draw another 10 because we're regrouping from 10 1s to 1 10. Okay, and make sure that you draw the extra 10 because a lot of times we forget and then we're off when we count. So then let's see how many 1s that leaves us with after we have grouped those. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4 1s left. Now let's come over to the 10s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. So our answer to this would be 74. Now when I go through and count, I also make sure to either cross off as I count, or if it's the 1s, make a dot so that I know which ones I've counted. So if I do have to regroup, then I know where to start back. So now let's look at subtraction. Subtraction is a little bit different. In subtraction, we only draw the bigger number. So 46 is the biggest number. That's the only one I'm going to draw. So I'm going to draw 4 10s, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 6 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we have to cross off 28. Here's where it gets tricky. We have to regroup. We can't take 8 1s if we only have 6 1s. So we have to cross off a 10, bring it over here, and make it into 10 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Make sure you cross that off because that's not a 10 anymore. Now it's 10 1s. So now we can take away 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we can count how much we have left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we come over here and we count, we take away 2 10s. So 1, 2. We only have 1 10 left. So then 46 minus 28 is 18. And that's how we solve our two-digit problems, addition and subtraction, using direct modeling.